Buenos dias. It is wild Thursday. And I gotta say, I didn't come here yesterday. Some stuff happened. I don't want to talk about it. Point is, we are here today. And I was kind of upset at myself because I'm like, all right, this is the last week that I'm gonna be streaming for a little while. And me missing yesterday was kind of a bummer on my own head. But anyways, we can only be grateful about today. We can only move forward. So I'm going to choose to move forward. And look at this. Papa is already ducking long. I mean, why would he not be? I mean, my problem here is that I should have been awake at 6 this morning. I was not awake at 6. I should have been awake at 6. I would have been long right here. Right when I got up and I came on the computer, I had to load it up, blah, blah, whatever. So then I take the long there. Very simple as to the reason why. One, choo-choo train one's up, as you guys know that already. And then two, you can see this right here. I want you to see this. Look at this. You see this? This is like a pole, okay? We're going to talk in bear flag terms, okay? This is the pole of the flag, okay? And then we have what would be kind of like the shape of the flag, okay? The shape of the flag. I don't know if that kind of looks like a flag or not. I'm just saying. Then we have what I would really consider the reason why we're bouncing is a good old bounce of good old support. Okay, but besides that, we have the flag. It breaks down, recovers, and then boom, right at that recovery, that was the entry to the long side as well. But no, I didn't get long there, unfortunately. So we take the long right at the next level when we reclaim the next level of resistance. Now we're looking for a push, ultimately right through these highs. That is in flag terms. Now, in my perspective, the choo-choo train is making a P, okay? Choo-choo train is making a P. It already tried to sell off below it, and then you can kind of remember what that kind of means. But that's just the pattern. It is irrelevant to what actually price wants to do. All I'm saying is I think choo-choo train wants up. Since the last couple of days, it has been wanting up. Every single dip, as I've said here, it's nothing but a better buy opportunity. And yeah, I mean, why short the choo-choo train for now until a choo-choo train gives us reason to kind of break down and actually, get short. For example, here, when we got denied there, why didn't we break down here? Answer me that question. Like, why? If we were downtrending, would it not make sense to break down the lows? Like, why would we break the highs? Like, in any given trend, you must have a set of highs, a set of lows, and then either one is going to break, either the high or the low. And if we break through the high, well, then your argument is we're pushing higher. If you break through the low, well, then your argument is we're pushing lower. And based on what I can see here, we have highs, we break through the highs. We have highs, we break through the highs. So until that pattern doesn't actually break, well, then why be the first one to try and guess where that top is going to be? We have highs. Is it going to break again? I don't know. But based on the previous circumstances of the market, it is telling me that we likely will. So let's follow price. I don't want to be too biased on the day either. The moment we break down, then that's when I'll be shorting. Until it breaks actually down, well, then there's no need for me to be shorting here. So let's get serious. Market's going to open it up here soon. Good morning. Now, I want to show you guys something else here as well. Do my love, do my love, do my love, do my love. I don't know if you guys remember this. By the way, I don't give myself a whole lot of credit sometimes, okay? What the hell was it? What day was this now? February 5. Oh, this was yesterday. I was long here too, and then I got broken even, and I just completely gave up on the day. 2 days ago. I don't know if you guys are going to remember, but I'm going to bring it up here because, again, nobody's going to give me credit for this. So 2 days ago, when I was streaming here on Wednesday, I don't know if you guys recall me giving out 2 targets on the day. I'm like, okay, I think we're going to the ducking 43, and I think we're going to the 66. I don't know if you guys were here. Again, I'm just saying this is all being recorded. I'm not lying about anything I'm saying. So we were streaming when this was happening here, this kind of chop garbage. We saw that little trap. We said that there was the stops on the long, on the upside. I don't know if you guys recall. Okay, I'm gonna show you something. So you can see here, I broke even on that trade when I was live streaming. I broke even. However, as soon as I ended the stream, the opportunity came back again where we kind of dipped through that level of support, and then I got back in long. And then guess who ended up taking profit here over at the 64? I did, okay? Because I knew, again, that 66 was going to get hit inevitably. And, well, you look at that. 60 ducking 6. I don't know if you guys were here, but again, I'm giving myself credit because I said this on here on the stream. It is all being recorded. It all stays there. And look at that. And I said I am not interested in shorting Jack S until 60 ducking 6. And when you look at that, 66 putting in a double top right there. And that is the beginning, ultimately, of the downtrend that we kind of, not downtrend, but the beginning of the pullback there. So I was here telling you, send me your money. Don't be shorting none of this crap. Don't be shorting this crap. Don't be shorting this crap. Don't be shorting it until that 66. Now, why am I doing that? I'm saying that for me, this is not financial advice. Good job, Leo. This is how support and resistance is meant to work, for you to know where to take in profit, where the market wave wants to ultimately head to. And therefore, I'm going to give myself credit because nobody else will. Right now, Choo Choo Train continuing to push very nicely, just as expected. I was recording. My first target here would be the 611, right there. And then we'll see what happens on the next one. But for now, Choo Choo Train continuing to grind up. Continuing to grind, so there's pretty much nothing for me to do here besides just, you know that song that my daughters listen to that I told you guys before? Let it print, let it print, let it print. That's not the song that they listen to. They listen to Let It Go. I don't know, some Frozen thingy majiggy. It's called Let It Go or something. Something to do with her. I don't know. Whatever. It's a kid's movie. If you know, you know. You gotta have kids, I guess, to know. Before I was able to watch all my shows, all my, you know, my movies, my things, like when I was much younger, like, for example, right now, let's say on a Sunday evening, I want to come home. We just came home from the beach. I want to watch a movie or something just with the family. I can't put something that I want to watch. It has to be something that the kids can watch, okay? Because obviously they're little. You're not going to be putting their, you know, killing and, you know, bloody and things like that. So once you become a father, everything changes for you. The music, your music patterns, your watching patterns, your sleeping patterns, everything is going to change. And so now I know pretty much all the kids songs. So instead of knowing all the, you know, the good old G songs, now it's let it go, let it go, let it go. And not just let it go, there's a bunch of other ones too. I gotta say though, some of them are pretty good. Some of them I actually like. Like, I don't know if you guys ever watched that movie Coco, Disney Pixar movie. Coco, yeah. This, what's it called again? Coco Loco. I'm gonna actually pop that thing on right now. Coco, what was it called? Poco Loco. Yeah, Poco Loco. Poco Loco, that's right. Poco Loco. Un Poco Loco. The sky, ay amor, ay amor. Where am I gonna take this contract? Ay amor, ay amor. How much is it at 11? Ay amor, ay amor. Well, 11 is not really a lucky number of mine. We're gonna go 15 here. I'm gonna try to add at some point. We'll see how the market opens on up here. It is 9:21. You know what we do here at 9:20? It is none other than time for the ultimate indicator. Are we gonna pump? Are we gonna dump? Are we gonna chop? I don't know, but you know who knows? It is none other than the Wheel of Fortune. So, best out of 3 wins. Please give me the double pump without hesitation. Chop. All right. Option number 2. Look, I think that landed on the green, okay? But, you know, and I'm going to have somebody that says, I'm just too bullish. That's on the line. So, just so that we're very, very 100% clear, we're going to spin her one more time here. Oh, my God. Double chop. All right. So, she's calling for some chop. Calling for some chop. You don't even need it. Sometimes the thing's right, though. I mean, you guys have witnessed it here. Sometimes the thing... it's calling for the dump. I'm calling for the pump and then it dumps. So, whatever. For now, we're already long here. Again, this is not a trade that I just magically popped into existence. I don't know why I left that. But over here, as soon as I enter long over... No, I don't like when it does that. It needs to do the bubble. It needs to do the bubble. As soon as I enter long here, we pretty much mentioned it right over here. So we've been long for since 7 in the morning this morning. So, yeah. Or 7 o'clock, I think. I don't know if that's my time or Eastern time, because I think on the Discord it shows up the time of my time, not your... I don't know, whatever. 7 in the morning is like 8 o'clock here on the Eastern time. This is not a Discord where I send you trades, by the way. If you think that that's what it is, just don't even join. That's not what it is. It's a genuine community of traders that want to grow up and, share ideas, share struggles, share everything. So if you're interested, it is 100% free, and you might need it because after Friday, tomorrow, it looks like we might be taking a pause on the streams while I get my shit in order so I can get back to Toronto, Canada. And that cold's waiting for me. But either way, we got to do it. We got to do what we got to do. But for now, if you are interested, it is free. That's where we can continue the conversation going. I will be still posting up their ideas, of course, and trades, recaps, and whatever other things we're going to be sharing together there. All right, we're almost up 10 points on this. Very beautiful. Just un poco loco. As I say here pretty much every day, as long as you know where the wave is ultimately headed, you can screw up your entry a lot. So how can I prove that? Well, I mean, if I think the choo-choo train keeps wanting to go up, right? I wait for the dip, you wait for the dip, you wait for the dip, and then you have a good old big bounce of big support. So, I mean, this is where the conviction comes in, though. Just because we hit here, look at this. You would have been long here, let's imagine, or me, Leo. I would have been long there. It would have came back. It would have came back. It would have looked bearish. It would have looked like we were about to break. But at the end, support is 85 to 88 there. So if this level held, why would I be getting myself out? No, instead, I take the long of 88, and my stop would be ideally below the low here. Or, of course, if I can get a much better entry at around this lower here, because its general area is support, the lower I can get filled, I know my stop can go safely under that. And that's kind of it. I did not get that long. I wish I did, but I didn't. Okay. We then recover. We push. All I simply got to do is do what I tell you. Not what I tell you. Do what I tell myself here. We have a level of support. We have a next level of resistance. We must reclaim this level of resistance and then build structure above it, and then look for the long at the bottom, and then can look for the continuation of the trend. Or in other words, we're looking for this. We're looking for this. We're looking for this. We're looking for this. We're not looking for the bounce and then look for the short and then look for the drop. No, that's nonsense. We want to go with the trend. So this is the proof. I screwed up the entry. I don't have the greatest entry. Should have been down here. But at the end of the day, it's still working out very nicely. And then up here, it's kind of the same story. It's the same thing. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Where's the lights? The only thing that can happen now is Trump opens his mouth again. Moon. If Trump starts with that tariff stuff again, then we probably will dip, and then I'll obviously get taken out on this. But for now, I think we're good. If we do get another drop at the open here, I'll be looking to become a buyer and then look for the push on up. Where would I add if I wasn't long here? That's a good question. I'm thinking to myself. Well, we kind of got a little bit of structure here now. What would appear to be like that 6,000, 601 level there, but I don't really have that as a big level of support here. So I would say, where am I going to add? Yeah, maybe I would add around here. If we can kind of like trap below 6,000 a little bit, recover 6,000, something like that. Now he wants the Gaza Strip. Every day is something new. Buddy, that guy, I think you Americans are gonna become the largest country pretty soon. They want to take over Canada. They want to take over Gaza. They want to take over everything. The Trump era. He's taken off the gloves. They came after him for like 4 years. So I think now he doesn't give a damn about anything. He's a man that he's pissed. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing. That is on you, but you can tell the man's pissed. It's hard to argue that he's not. He's fucking every day doing something. All right, we're getting stuck there out of 5 for now. I'm still looking here for the 15 target. I kind of like 15. I like 15. Don't ask me why. I mean, besides the fact that it is a little bit of resistance, it's a lucky number as well. It's one of those things where, luck comes into play for me sometimes. I follow you. Oh, there's my water. I forgot I had water here. I've been forgetting it, so I didn't even realize I had water. All right, so choo-choo train. Where are we gonna go today, choo-choo train? Well, I think ultimately we won't. Choo-choo train one's up still. Looking at the top step tilt, there is about a 50-50 on the top step tilt. Basically, the top step tilt is positions across all those top step platforms. It's built right into their platform. It is pretty nice to see that. However, sometimes it's kind of ridiculous to see what they do. But like, for example, right now, the average shorting price is 6,100. And the average long price is at 6,100 as well. So meaning they're both somehow magically long and short at the same time. But if they are long, I mean, at least they're in the green, right? Like, that's not bad. But if you're shorting 6,100 and we just ran up to the 6,106, how big is your stop? Like, I don't understand. I get it. Not everybody trades like me with a 3-point stop, but I mean, I don't know if it's much better to be shorting and then having your stop at a 10-point, 15-point stop, and then we're just going to blow right through that ducker anyways. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. I'm looking for 15 here. Come on, can we get that 15 level up there? We'll see. This is a speed bump here for now. We're going to have some speed bumps there along the way. So I hope that we kind of get pushing above a 5 here. Market is now open for business. It is open for business. Are we going to get the dip before we get the rip? I hope not, but either way, I don't care. I'm already long. I'm okay with breaking even on this. Let's see if there's any numbers or anything that we should be worried about here. And we got pretty much nothing to worry about right now. Some Canadian numbers. Oh my gosh, she's dumping. All right, am I going to break even on this? Because my worry here is that we could go down to that 87 and trap down there. So we'll see. For now, we're coming back down. This is okay. As long as we hold this level here, I'm okay with it. $98. We're still going to risk 130 on this. I will go with the standard stop. My standard stop is about 150. See if we can hold that 03. Maybe take one out of 03. 99. Maybe 05. The computer's kind of laggy here, so I'm kind of worried about that. Just because prices can sometimes move kind of quickly, and if my computer is laggy for some reason, it won't be a good thing. Where are we at? 96.50. 96.50, 98.25. All right, we got to start pushing back on up here, choo-choo train. We got to start pushing back on up here quickly, or else we're going to go test that 86 down there. I like this little dip here so far. But question now is, can we get going? I could be at break even already maybe, but I'm going to give us just a little bit more time before I go break even. Come on, choo-choo train. Don't fucking go back down there. Let's just go up. Let's go back test that 05 level. Let's go back test 05. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go back to test that 05. Give me 05. Come on. I did add a second contract there, by the way, just in case you didn't see it. I did say that I would be looking for an ad here, be around that 99, 98,000, especially if we got a little dip below 95 and then we popped right back above 99. That's exactly what I pretty much said I would do. So just following what I'm saying I'm going to do. But now the $1 million question is we need to get going now. We can't hesitate here because we could get denied of 01 and then kind of start rolling over. So we don't want to see that. We want to see just a clean push right back on up here. Come on, baby. Give me 05. Come on, baby. Come on. Do it for Papa. Uh-oh. I don't really like this pattern here. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. Let's just go. Right to the 05. Give me 05, please, and then I can walk. Good morning, Cornucopia. Buenos dias. Come on, let's get this bounce towards 05 there. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. I could go break even already, but I just, I don't know. What if it back tests again? You know what I mean? I'm just worried if we're gonna go trap here. That's the only thing that worries me. I know direction's higher, but how are we gonna get there? There's the $1 million question here. I mean, we could go trap one more time, perhaps. Maybe we want to take out these lows here first. We'll see. But for now, kind of building a bear flag here. We need to kind of just squeeze right back on up. Not a big stop anyways, about 2 points there. We're going to go full 2 points. 98.25, 96.25. It is kind of looking bear flaggy here, so watch out there. We could be still wanting to pull back here. We need to hold this 99 level here, or else 86 is incoming. I hope not, but come on, baby. Let's just go towards that 05 level. We got 05 on the menu there. We got 05 and 15, which will be my ultimate target here for the day. That 15 level up there. Looks dumpy here. Looking very dumpy, but 99 holding for now. I like 99. If it's holding, it's good. If it breaks down, it breaks down. Shadows disappear. There's an argument for a short here right now. I'm not going to dispute it. We're trying to break down. Trying to. Can the Bears actually pull it off here? Wheel of Fortune calling for a little bit of chop at the open. I would argue that she was probably right again. Fuck. Duck. Should I go break even here? This fucking thing wants to dump, I guess. Live or die. This is hard because I know if I take it out here, it's going to probably rally right after. I'm just going to let it stop me out if it wants. It's up to the market. It's not up to me. All right, so kind of breaking down 99 there finally. All right, so we're breaking down. That's my first trade of the day. We were green the entire time. Just I overcommit to that. I overcommit to it, and that's okay. I like it. All right, so we're breaking down now. $1 million question is, of course, where are we gonna stop? Well, now what I would want to see is that 87 kind of flush here. If we can somehow flush, recover, that would be interesting. That would be the best setup actually on the day. Trump might be on the news saying crap for this to happen. Maybe. I'm not bearish still though. I know that this could easily break down here, but I think it had to do with my addition there. The problem was because I added a second contract there, right? So my average went up. But we're still holding 96 there. This is another level of support. Again, I'm not bearish on the day. This little pullback is just merely going to give me a better entry anyways. But like I said, now the problem is, what if we start to get going here? We're bouncing right off 96.25, 650. I'm going to wait for some trap. All right, come on. Let's get down to that 86 down there. 87 area. This is how the game of ping pong works in my eyes. 99 needed to hold there. It provided some support there. But then, of course, the bear flag, whatever, ended up working. So we go lower. This one is good to be a scalper. I like to commit to my trade, but because I was long since 7 in the morning. Okay, I was long since 7 in the morning watching it print. My God, I should have just taken the lousy almost 10 points there. To my love, to my love, to my love. 2 times from 100. So might be looking for 86 again. Correct. That's what I'm thinking too. This future trend wants to head back down now. I mean, looking at it from the different perspective here, we got kind of two things. We might have a little bit of a ceiling there for now. It could be a nice entry short, looking for the move to the 86. Or, of course, you can basically just wait for the dip, buy the dip, and then expect for the rip. That's the one I'm going to choose, but I'm just saying 99 now is going to act as some type of resistance. So, if I was a little bit more aggressive on the scalping side, I would probably take a nap. To my love, to my love. Bouncing of 95, you gotta love it. Right where I got stopped, just by about a point lower is where we got kind of bouncing here. I am not gonna take that 99 short I was talking about. I'm only saying that is a mere ceiling potential. I'm gonna wait for the long. All right now running towards that 98.75 there, acting as a ceiling. No big shocker there. We're kind of ping-ponging right now between these levels, 96, 99. You can kind of see that there. Me. See, no. Come on, let's go to 86 down there. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go 86. Don't let this 95 hold, because then I'm going to regret not buying 95 here. Lord. So far, Bears have broken down one little layer of support. So I'm going to give them the benefit of the doubt, and I'm going to expect for them to break down 95, and hopefully we can get down towards that 80s down there. So basically, temporarily, I'm feeling kind of short bias here. Why didn't I take that short up there? Would have been a break even there. It's a free trade. Not a big deal. That's what I say, though. You know, I know myself. That's what I say. I say, oh, I'm going to get a short there, and then I'm going to go break even. But I don't like break even. So I would have moved my stop up here, and then if this ducker reclaims it and we squeeze, I'm going to miss the squeeze anyways. And it upsets me to go break even. So I know, I don't kid myself. You know, I already know me. I would have committed to the short. For me, the only way I like going break even, and I know I will go break even, is once I'm green on the day. Once I am green on the day, I will not risk my actual profits, obviously just to get in. But once that position is now in the green, then I'll go break even like immediately, just because I like to protect my gains. That's the only way. But right now I'm not green, so gotta get ourselves green first. One trade. Let's put in a second one, but let's make it a good one. We need a trap to the downside. Mi corazón. Even if we can trap here, maybe it's interesting. Let me. I don't even know where we closed that yesterday. I should have done this earlier. All right, so we got a gap to the downside here over at the 90. So perhaps we go fill the gap first. And again, this is why I don't care about the gaps, because first we got to break down 99. You can see how 99 there becomes. Look at this. This is perfect. Look at this. This is a floor. Tell me that this doesn't look like a floor here. And then look what it's doing now. It's turning it into a ceiling. We got denied there already one time. How many more times can it work? I don't know. But if we reclaim that level, well, then I'll be looking for the long. But for now, acting as resistance. Support, resistance. Resistance, support. They love to flip. Cooking my game. I'm wondering, should I try this short here of 99? Or else we might reclaim this. Look at that. We're already trying to reclaim it. We're trying to reclaim already 99. I think my problem here with my entry, with my previous position was that I added a second contract and my stop kind of, it got taken out here over at the 96.25. Literally, like we bounced 1 point from under that. Is this going to be one of those days? Oh my God. What an unbelievable. Unbelievable ducker. Well, good thing I didn't short there, so we're reclaiming 99 there. That's come to the point you don't understood what I was saying the other day. Which, like where you get stopped? I don't like shorts. I agree. I mean, they can work, but it's got to be like a certain day. It's got to be like the day where, we are going to sell. And then, fine, I'll take those shorts. But look at this. I was not bearish. I'm still not bearish one bit. I think we're going to the 15 up there. First 11, then 15. Now the fact that Leo Bonacci indicator again. I get ducking taken out and this thing starts to bottom out here and then it rips back on up. And now I'm looking obviously for the long still. This ducker is not going to come back to fill me. You gotta love being a trader. It's just one of those things that you cannot make up. And again, why did I trade pre-market? I should have waited for the market to actually open. Look at this. I was long since 7 in the morning this morning. Why wouldn't I just, 8 Eastern time, why didn't I just trade the ducking open, man? Ay, ay, ay. And I have my trend line is for a reason to not let me change my mind when market opens. Yep. All right, very nice squeeze. Very nice squeeze there. Come on, let me see if I can get filled down here. Look, I'll even go fucking 6100 even there. Well, it's not that I became undecided. Price is king. Once we reclaimed that 99, I just wasn't very aggressive enough to take the long immediately. That's me choking a trade. But I did mention here, as soon as we reclaim 99, it's a long. We get denied of 99. It's a short, and this is we'll never know which one is. As it's happening, you might say, well, then what do you do? Do you ducking long or do you short? Well, me, I'm always looking for the long, so I should have taken the long there. I shouldn't have even thought about a short there. So why I thought about the short, I said I wanted to give them the benefit of the doubt, but in obviously today not doing the right call. But ultimately, this is why I'm always ducking bullish, because this garbage happens all the time. Resistances rarely like to hold unless it's at a major level, whereas supports, even like this support, we bounced from 95 here. That's not a really major level of support. Like, it's support, but like I wouldn't bet my life on the ducking thing. You know what I mean? But what I'm saying is supports, they just hold much better, and hence why I don't really like the shorts. And Cornucopia pointing that out there as well. Correct. The shorts get stuck at supports more likely, or more times than resistances get, then the longs get stuck basically at a level of resistance. This is why I'm kind of always bullish, you know what I mean? And again, I'm not long, I can't even talk too much, but ultimately, this ripper here, somebody's gonna come here and be like, or not come here, but if you're a newer trader and you're getting short here and then it just rips right on your face again, you're like, why does this happen? Like why? We broke down this trend line, this bear flag, like fuck, man. We knew. Meanwhile, this is support. Like, why? Like, why be kind of upset? Come on, 6100. Fill me at the 6100. I should be getting filled at 99, but let me see. All right, fine. We'll do 6100 there. All right, filled 6100. Now you need to hold that 99 and 6100. I'm gonna go break even soon. I just want to give this a little bit more space. Whoa, why is my stop all the way down here? I don't want my stop here. I'm gonna risk only 3 points on this. She's either gotta hold that 99 or it ain't. Hope it's not one last dead bounce, dead cat bounce here. If it is, I'm gonna find out here, because I'm gonna get stopped. Should have been long down 99 there, as mentioned. Should have been more patient there. Come on, yes. Let's go to that 05. 11 and 15. Getting stuck right at 05 once again there. Not good. All right, price needs to get back above 99 here quickly, or else I'm getting out here manually. Come on. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Volar conmigo. We gotta close this candle above 99. Volar conmigo. Volar conmigo. All right, she's kind of struggling here. I don't like it. Just hold 99, baby. Let's get pushing. Below 99, I kind of think we want to fill that gap. Above it, I think we already trapped to the downside here. We'll see. Come on, just start ripping. I probably will tighten up my stop here. I don't need to risk any more on this. If we break the low of this candle there, we're probably going to head down. So I'm going to tighten up my stop there. Risking 2 points. 2 point stop. Bombón asesino. Bombón lento. Come on, let's go to the 05, baby. Let's go to the 05. I don't like how it's getting choking there. We got to just continue with this momentum. We got to continue. Come on, baby. Continue. Let's take a look at the hourly chart here. Hourly chart looking like a doji candle a little bit. Fuck, I should have taken that 95 long there, guys. Look at beautiful. Oh my god. Ugh. Now I'm buying at the top of the flag there. Hourly chart kind of painting the picture a little bit better there. Should have been looking at the hourly chart there. 95. Well, because I thought the ducking bears were actually going to break us down, fill the gap, and go lower. Which they still might, these pricks. I don't know why. I'm kind of doubting this now. It's kind of choppy. I'm not going to lie. It's kind of choppy. Got short stuck right in support. It's kind of choppy here. I'm gonna tighten up my stop again. 2 point stop only. All right, so that one is pretty much stopped there. I'm not gonna risk any more on that. I'm only gonna get in long once one thing happens here, which is gonna be when a trap comes into play. I am done kind of playing in that choppy disaster up there. So what I want to see is basically these guys get taken out here. Whoops. Get taken out, recover, and then look for the long there. Look for the V for victory. I'm not, even if 95 recovers here, I'm not doing it. I am not trading that 95 anymore. What such little pricks. They boner candle here, reclaim 96. Now I got some emotion here on this level, so I'm gonna stay away from basically this here. Wheel of Fortune, she was right. It was choppy at open. Should have just taken my nice little 10 point there and walked away. But it's okay. Keeping the risk small. Gonna wait for the nice setup. I'm not gonna follow the reclaim anymore. Just gonna wait for somebody to get trapped. I want to see some lows get taken out here. Maybe 95 could be one, but my entries, this entry here, 96,000. I was a little impatient there, I gotta say. A little impatient. They can do it for the first day. I don't know. We'll see. How many days green are we in now? Just the last two. We had 1 day kind of red there in between. Come on. Come on, baby. Break down. Break down. Bouncing off 95 here yet again. Yeah, yeah. You know what happens now? Look, I'm the Leo Bonacci indicator right now. I feel like it. If I got long that 95, or if I get long here, wherever, you know it's gonna take out all these lows. You know it. Now, if I don't get long, it might just squeeze right back. That's how I feel right now. Shins, all my friends are turning green. So I'm just gonna wait for hopefully the Bears can ducking stop playing around and let's just break down. Let's break down. Let's go fill the gap over at the 90 there. We got a nice gap to the 90 here. 60, 90. A little bit choppy, I'm not gonna lie. It looks clean, but a little choppy. This is why it's good to have tight risk, small risk. Let's wait for the big winner. Big winner. Could have, would have, should have taken the profit up there. Could have, would have, should have gone long 95. Could have, would have, should have gone short 05. Could have, would have, should have. In the end, just manage risk. Oh my highest shell. All right, so we're trying to break down 95 here. I am not gonna get long here. There's no way. All these stops here are needed to get take. It's like they're begging to take them out. We're starting to take them out here. So we're creating the trap here, in my opinion. We have step number 1, create artificial resistance. Step number 2, we need to go get some lows, which could be 95. I'm waiting for this, hopefully here. That would be step number 2. We need to get stops from the longs. And then you know it, step number 3, none other than the FOMO shorts that pretty much have no idea that we're going to go up either way. Just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. All right, let's see if third time's the charm. Trade number 3 right now. We're 2 trades in. Bulls failed 6170s, 6110. Yup. We'll see. I don't know. We're already trying to recover that 95 there. Oh my gosh, are you kidding? We're not even gonna go to 85. Please, let's go to 85. Let's go to 85, please. I don't want to get long here. I'm not interested in longing here. I hope I don't regret it. Watch. Looking at the hourly, we got a little wick now. Flushing below that low there. Oh man, oh my gosh. A 95, 94. Oh fuck. Okay, I'm gonna try this one more time here. See my stop. Fuck, I said I wasn't gonna do it. Mother ducker. It's gotta be below that low there. A point higher there. Think I'm getting faked out here. Too early. I came out swinging this morning at the same choppy disaster here. Then I wouldn't do it. I didn't. Hmm. Not a running. see. And take lower there. Below the low. Hmm. We're not really reclaiming that 95. I don't like this anymore. When you got back above there, it made sense. It's still kind of choppy though. It's still pretty choppy here. Looking at the hourly there, we flushed that previous hourly low there, so I kind of like that. My entry's kind of late there though. 74, 70, 86. We might want to fucking break down the whole thing. All right, if we don't get back above 95 here, I'm just gonna manually take it out here. We need to get going right here, right now. 7150 is another good one. Also 66. You're right. You're right. I am quickly starting to realize this. This is you're gonna need some patience today. Really good patience. And I don't know if I'm not have quite showing that right now. Getting back in long where I said I wasn't gonna trade inside this choppy disaster here again. I'm gonna just take it out here for whatever, less than 3 points. I gotta do it. I just not following my plan here right now. My stop should be at the low there, but we're gonna keep the risk small because we can still get green here. But if I let it run further, no. We need more lows here, Leo. Relax, Leo. Choo-choo train wants to pull back right now. It's kind of been a trend recently, the last couple of days. We kind of pull back and then we go up. Oh yeah, I'm not concerned. I'm down like $400. That's nothing. Like I was up more than that this morning. This is well within my risk to reward. Am I playing it the right way? You know, probably not. Not, but it's kind of stupid to be red, to be honest. But it's how it is. You know what I mean? And I say that because I was already green all morning, and then I didn't take anything. I ended up breaking even, and then I'm kind of getting chopped up here this morning here. I don't like when price moves this way. Like, I like to see it like sell and then get to the levels quickly. When it's like this, it's like it's so deceiving because like my stop was down here just now, right? It was just right at the low there. And I take myself out here thinking that we're gonna break and then go down because it just looks so. This is why I'm trading my emotions now. I know it. It looks bearish. We got a bear flag there, right? But at the end, that low is kind of still holding there, and I kind of just took myself out here. I'm not gonna get long now. Now maybe it goes, but I think I'm just a little bit too impatient today. Like I know we want to go up, but I'm too impatient right now. Oh my god, I just took myself out here. I should have had my stop there at the bottom. Come on, Bears. Let's just go down. You know what I mean? Like, yes, Cornucopia is right. We need yes to just make up its ducking mind. I want to see this thing sell. Let's go. Wow, you might be like, yeah, we're selling, but not really. I wouldn't really call this a sell. I would call this just chop. I want to see those candles just print, baby, print. Oh, all right. We're going to take some patience. Practice patience. Looking like a bear flag here. We're getting stuck over at 95. We got a gap to be filled over at the 90, 75 there. So perhaps, obviously, market pretty clearly. I should have not been long 95. Why? Because 99 already broke down. That's the hint already that the market is kind of wanting to do, something like this. Maybe not quite all the way yet, but at least it wanted to fill that gap. Market, perhaps attempting this right now, perhaps. We need a Trump tape bump. Yes, we do. We need Trump to say, I don't know, anything. Just say the economy is good. That's it. Say we're gonna print more money. I know it's bad, but I don't care. Right now, I need Choo Choo Train to do a trap for me to get long. Oh my god, this thing is getting tight here. We're either gonna dump or we're gonna squeeze right back up. I was already long here. Oh my gosh. Why Choo Choo Train? I know if I get long here right now, the ducker falls. If I wait patiently for the better entry at the bottom here, the ducker's gonna pump. Oh, the dilemma I'm going through right now. It's okay. We're keeping risk small. We're doing it right. Well, no, we're not doing it right. We should have taken profit right in the morning there. We're claiming 95 here yet again. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Choo choo train wants up. The ducking choo choo train wants up. I should have kept my stop at the low there. Oh, fudge. This is the dance of shame right now that I'm doing. Fuck. The hourly candle, the low is holding, Leo. The low held. Why did you take it out? Fuck. There we go. Oh my god. Guys, you're seeing it. This is emotion at its best. Could have, would have, should have held my long there. My stop was at the right place. Fuck me. I think now we're probably gonna squeeze right through that 05 there. Mother ducker. Please God, don't just let me be patient for that right entry here. In the winter. Bored in the winter. Reclaiming 99 there. Come on, come down. I don't want to get long here. I wanted to kind of backtest this top level here. All right, she's not looking like she wants to. Come on, come on. Come on, baby, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come fill me down here. I don't know. Dun, dun, dun. Come on, come on. 97. I'll even do the ducking 97. Nope, she doesn't want it. I think she's just fully taking back 99 here. There would way. All right, let me get distracted here. Let's talk about something. So that's something I want to talk to you guys about is on Friday, aka tomorrow. One, don't forget your lucky shirt. You know, I don't know if you believe in all this stuff like that, but I do believe in pretty much everything. I believe in ghosts. I believe in spirits. I believe in lucky numbers. I believe in pretty much everything. So, um, point is, wear that lucky shirt if you want. And of course, we do have a 100% free Discord community, which you might need if you want to continue the conversation. Because tomorrow will be the last day that I'm gonna be streaming for the next little while. I'm not ending the streams, nor am I stopping them. In fact, when I come back, it's gonna be much better. It's gonna be much bigger. It is gonna be better. So, if you want to continue the conversation, you will need to join that Discord. Oh, I didn't pin it. Oh my gosh, I didn't pin the link. So I'm gonna pin it right now. Should be there. There we go. So it is there. Yeah. I didn't want to say that. I mean, I got so used to doing the streams now that I kind of feel sad about leaving. You know what I mean? At first, I was nervous. Like when I decided to start streaming, I felt nervous. I'm like, I don't know how it's gonna go. Like, how is it gonna work? I didn't know, right? Obviously. And then, come now, I'm like, I don't want to stop. You know what I mean? Like this feels like it's just such a part of what I do now. I wake up in the morning, I do my things, I talk in the community about certain levels, whatever's important at the time, and then I come here, I stream. I like it. I don't know. What can I say? I like it. Now that I've unfortunately got to stop them for a little bit, it makes me feel a little bit sad. So maybe, today I was a little impatient there. I'm kind of feeling emotions all over the place. I'll be honest. It's the reality. I'm a human being. You know what I mean? I try to keep him in check, but it does get to me sometimes. But it doesn't matter. We got to do what we got to do. We will be going back to Toronto, Canada soon. And we'll see what life has in store for us there. It's exciting, but it's always like this for me. Like, even when I came here, I didn't want to leave Canada. I'm like, I don't want to leave, And then I get here, I'm like, no, I don't want to leave from here. And this is why you say that. Why does life have to be this way? I don't know. Like, when we're somewhere, we want to travel. We want to go and explore, see things. And then as soon as you get there, you might realize that, you kind of liked it a little too much. And then for you to leave, it becomes a little bit of a struggle. So, why life was designed like that, I don't know. But I guess it's what makes it worth it. The emotional experience about it. That was beautiful, Leo. How did you come up with that? Where did you come up with that? I enjoy being here, so good to see you back in the near future. Thank you. Thank you, Cornucopia. I mean, it's a nice little group of traders, right? We got, I don't know if you're there on the Discord, but I mean, we're always kind of putting up trades there overnight, especially. I do trade overnight a lot. And so, I don't know if you are there, but it is free if you want to join. I do like those pics from El Salvador you post. Nice place. Thank you. Yeah, I mean, we go different places all the time, right? So, uh, Volcan is crazy. Yeah, we were supposed to go to another one actually, but we got there a little bit late, so we couldn't really go. We're supposed to climb the biggest volcano here. All right, so the market right now pretty much reclaiming 99 there. I was waiting to get filled a little bit lower there, but of course that didn't kind of come. So once I saw that we were just kind of reclaiming 99, I take the long there, and then now I could go break even, I guess. I'm not really in the mood for a break even, to be honest with you. I think I'd rather let this choo-choo train go and just kind of let it play out here. I think we're going to the 11 and 15, so just gotta wait and sit it tight and wait. Right now, market is consolidating. It is kind of choppy. It's disaster. So the more you trade inside these ranges, I think the worse it'll be. The only body I think that can probably would have done really well here, like scalping this thing would probably be Hustler. I don't know if he's here or he hasn't been here. He's been kind of trading overnight at like 4 in the morning. Yeah, this morning he was there trading at 424. Yesterday, 420 or 5 in the morning. Guy's trading all over the time. I don't think Brazil has anyone. Yeah, I don't think so. Brazil's beautiful though. I mean, you look at they got nice beaches. Definitely looks nicer than here in terms of the beaches land area. But um, I hear also a lot of stories how it's a beautiful country, but it is a little bit unsafe at the moment, or in certain parts of it. Today would have been a good day to listen to the Wheel of Fortune. She was calling for that chop at the market open, and I mean, I see this as chop, but if you see this like as a nice short there, nice long here, nice short there, nice long here, I guess it's not really choppy, but if you were trading inside the candles like how I kind of attempted earlier, it kind of chopped me up a little bit. Very violent country. Yep. This used to be a very violent country. I would never think about coming here. I was a grown adult in Canada. I'm like, yeah, there's no way I'm coming ever to this country, especially not with kids. No way. But look at me now. Like it's so safe here. I feel safer honestly here than I do in Canada sometimes because sometimes in Canada, the homeless kind of they're homeless, but they got like mental illness and things like that, and a lot of them do crime and they're out on probation. Here, if like you can be homeless, but if you get caught like doing or like if you're a criminal and you're homeless, you're going to jail. Period. Like in Canada, a lot of the times I find that now, especially with the parole laws and new laws that they have, um, they they're very easygoing. And another kind of story, which is sad in my opinion, there was this robber. I don't remember what he did. I heard this recently from somebody I know. Uh, there was a robber that was robbing things, and on the police chase, he went on the wrong side of the highway. So, meaning he intentionally went on the wrong opposite driving part, and I think he killed like 3 people. So while yes, he didn't murder them intentionally, well, I mean, to me that's pretty. You know that something bad is gonna happen when you do that. Point is, that happened, and he got like 6 months in prison, and he's pretty much out in parole now. Number one, he was stealing. I don't even know how he's like he only got whatever. I don't know. He was stealing, goes on the wrong side, kills 3 people, and then all of a sudden, just 6 months, he's out on bail. He's out on the streets again. I don't know about you, but I don't know if I agree with that. I mean, if you killed somebody because you went on the wrong side intentionally, that's pretty bad. Like drinking and driving too. If you get hammered, you're on behind the wheel, and you kill some kids or anybody. That's pretty bad. You should not be out on. You should be in jail. There's still accountability that needs to be held, in my opinion. All right, so we're back testing my entry there. I was kind of nervous there, so I kind of looked away. I'm like, yeah, let's just continue rambling about some things. Oh my god, we're testing this entry again. We're testing it again. I don't know, but I'm not really in love with this day so far. 1020, nothing really good, I would say. We're still consolidating here. I hope we can get going now, yes. I really do. Oh five, I mean 11:15 is sitting right there. I hope we can go, but if we don't, let it be your will. I'm happy with whatever you choose. But I think the choo-choo train went up. So I'm looking for the long here. 15 would be pretty nice. We've consolidated nicely here. I mean, looks good. It looks good. Doom. Doom. I wish we had one president like El Salvador. Yeah, man, this guy cracked down on crime really hard, really fast. Um, I don't agree with everything entirely that he's done as well, but at the end of the day, he has made it a safe place. So the people's opinion is what really matters. The people that live here. I live here now, yeah, but I'm gonna leave, right? So it makes no difference to me afterwards. But their opinion is what matters, and they feel safe. So that's good. I don't know. The more I look at this, the more it's like I think we might sell again. Like it looks just that type of day. So, oh yeah, yeah. We're testing my entry again. I might just get out. Oh my god. I'm not getting out. I'm just staying. I'm not gonna trade this anymore. If it takes me out, I'm just done. Because I know if I take it out there because of this trend line or whatever, then oh my god, then I gotta look for the long again. Mother ducker. Oh my gosh. No. And stopped. All right. So I think that kind of wraps it up for me. It looks like we want to sell. Uh, Resistances are still being created there. Perhaps this is my own mistake today doing. Should have just waited for that ducking 86, 80 down here as we were mentioning earlier. And they're playing inside the same choppy range. Back down to 95 here. All right. I was thinking about this the other day too. I'm like, it's right on cue. This red day so far is right on cue. It aligns with pretty much everything. So every 7 days, I have typically a red day. Well, here we go. Luckily, it's not a big one. It's good. It's good. 580. It's fine. It's manageable. My max stop is set at 700. At 700, I am just completely out of the game. Vamos. It's like it's a manifestation type of thing. You're like, okay, we're on a good run. We're on a good run. All right, boom, there you go. Red day. It's normal. Not a big deal. The key to red days is, of course, keeping them small. This is why I would always, before you even trade an account, you need to have a max loss based on your risk to reward. I'm still good for another trade here, but I don't know if I should do it. We're still trying to fill the gap. Resistance held pretty nicely there. Now we're going finally. Come on, let's sell her down. I literally have one more stop for the day. 3 points. If I get 3 points stop, a max loss for the day. My personal max loss. Not pretty. Getting chopped up here. Eh. Dun, 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 dun. I'm still not bearish on the day. I'm just simply waiting for the dip to come in and then look for the buy down here. Come on, yes. Let's go, baby. Could have, would have, should have taken a profit there. Should have got short right there at 05. A prick. Let me take a look at the 15-minute chart here. 15-minute. Not pretty. Should have known better there. Look at that. We keep breaking. We have a low. We keep breaking it. We keep breaking. Now we're just. We need a major. We need this low here. Now I got a dilemma here. I can either wait for the drop, wait for the reclaim, and then get going, or I can long it maybe directly here. I don't know yet. We'll see how the price gets there. That's kind of important as well. Watch a reclaim 95 now. I'm not doing it anymore. I'm promising myself I am not touching that 95 anymore. I said that the last time I got long again, so no more. This is good though. You know, small risk, tight stops. When the market's choppy like this, tight stops is okay. You know what I mean? Like taking small stops, nothing major. We're gonna wait now though for that A plus, AAA support. No more of this nonsense here. What is this thing here? Like, what was I buying there? I was pushing trades. I think I was forcing it because I didn't trade yesterday, so I was forcing it. Well, I did trade, but I broke even, and then the Ducker went up like 30, 50 points after. More. Es que nunca. 95 acting as resistance there now. Come on, baby. Where did we open at? We opened up at... We opened up at 61.03. We're at 93, so we've moved 10 points in an hour and a half. Or, sorry, no, an hour since the market opened. Oh my god, I don't like when the market's like this, but this is the reality of the market. Sometimes it does this. All right, we're starting to get some more momentum to the downside here. I like it. 95, they're finally acting up as resistance, bringing us back down here. Heading down towards that 87, 86 level down here. These are previous all-time highs in the marketplace. Showing clear and obvious support there. Clear and obvious support there. So I'm wondering, can we sell them? Can we flush these guys here, recover, and then simply look for the long? And we're selling, and then we're back up. Just go, yes, go, baby. Don't know if you don't know. Is there any news or anything that can make this thing move? I mean, 42 minutes, German booba. German booba. Buba President Nigel speaks. Yeah, no, nothing. Wish I could break 86. You're looking for a break of 86. I like long 70, 66. 70, 66. I would like that long too, actually. I would take that. Maybe more like 76, 73-ish area for me, but... All right, so we filled the gap now completely, almost, pretty much, almost to the tick there. Oh my gosh, man. I don't like when he has like this. Like, we want to sell, and then we come back. Like, she's coiling up for the move to the upside. I am not bearish one bit. The more it pulls back, better. I need to see a trap, though. Like, don't tell me we just did all this just to fill this ducking gap here. Come on, baby. Let's go down first. Let's go down, hit a major, and then we go back up. I might just walk. I'm just gonna leave a resting order down there, walk away, because this is the only way I'm gonna win today. Me sitting here, I think I'm gonna just get too emotionally attached to these candles printing here. Like that, if I set my order, how I normally do, I set my orders, walk away, I forget about them, and then next thing you know, I'm filled and beautiful. Like that, I don't sit through the emotional thing of this. Love, glove, for you. If you're not there, tomorrow is the last day we'll be streaming for the next little bit. It is... Oh, sorry. We do have a 100% free trading community, or just a community in general. It's called Trading Traps. It is. The link is pinned to the chat right now if you're interested. We do have different traders with different perspectives, giving different ideas. Even at freaking 4 in the morning, this hustler has been there trading the last couple of nights since like 4 in the morning. That's why he's probably not here right now. But yeah, I like it. Money never sleeps. I slept this morning, so I didn't get long that 86 from this morning. Choo-choo train went up, but I know right now it looks like it's going lower. It is going lower, but let's just not get fooled here. You know, we are going lower. We're going lower, but let's not jump on the shorting bandwagon just yet here. Like I said, in here, this is hustler territory. If he fell asleep today, he missed out on this because it would have been long here, would have been short here, would have been long here, short there. I don't know how that guy does it. In fact, actually, because of, well, I mean, I don't know. I've never seen him trade or anything, but I do know that he posts up a lot of good levels. His levels align with my levels often, and they do. He does do quick, like, scalpy trades. I actually told him, I brought up the idea. If you want, when we get the new office set up, when we're, you know, better, like, not obviously about to end, pause the streams. If you wanted to hop on the stream with me, he agreed. So maybe come the on the next little while when we start the streams again, we might have two faces here, or I don't know if he wants to show his face or not, but we might have two different perspectives. One, which is the good old boring guy like me that just wants the long and kind of look for the long kind of deal. And maybe we'll have a different perspective where he'll be shorting here, taking long here, like different mini trades. So it's going to be better. For now, Choo-choo train getting here back on up. I am fed up with this price. I know it wants to go higher. We got two targets on the day. It is 11 and it is ducking 15 there. And I don't know why. I feel like it's gonna probably do it without me. I'm just so committed to the Ducker going up there that now I don't even want to buy this anymore. My God, man. And this is upsetting. We just filled a ducking gap. That's all we did. Mother Ducker. We just wanted to fill the gap. Fudge. 99 here again. Oh my God. Am I really gonna take this ducking? No, no. I'm gonna wait for some dip. At least 95. Oh my God. Really, Leo? Are you really gonna buy this? All right, I'm gonna try this thing one more time here. My last 3-point stop here. Come on. My gosh, are we done now with this games? Yes. Can we just get going now? Can we get going? You mother ducker. All right, come on. It's enough with this nonsense now. All right, let's get going now. All right, all right, all right, all right. Come on, baby. Let's squeeze right through the artificial resistance there. We're going to have 1 layer here. We're going to have 2 layer here. We're going to have 3 layer right there. Let's go get it now. Don't play with me now. Don't you do it. I. Sue it. Come on, baby. Just go. I don't want to go break even. You guys know if I go break even, the Ducker's going to break me even. So I am not doing it. Just go. Just go, baby. Just go. Come on. All right, I'm definitely done now. What just happened? What a break. I bought 3 times the same level and the same thing happens. What a job fest. Oh my God, look at it. It actually, now it's dumping. Oh my God. Oh my God, we just hit that 87 level there. What a candle. What a rug pull there. I. That couldn't be any more perfect. Get long at 99 and I get caught in the rug pull. Unbelievable. Fucking 87 it held. Oh man, today. It is what it is. We go fucking 87. What a choppy disaster. Hustler's teaching his friend. Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. Rug pulled. You know the game GTA and it says wasted right when you die. I got wasted there. They got me. See, I should have followed. Remember what I said here? I'm like, I should walk away, leave my resting order there. Look at that. I would have been scooped up there. When you don't listen to yourself. See what I said? I manifested. I'm telling you guys. I said I should just leave my resting order there, walk away, and not get caught up with this nonsense here. And what did I do? I got caught up in the nonsense. I ended up buying again 99. Look at that. From the 87. Fuck. Either way. Duck. Now I'm just going to wait for them to get flushed there. It's likely not going to happen. I'm going to take my red day and I'm going to walk. So, it is what it is. I'm not going to push it anymore. But I will be, of course, watching. I do have other accounts. I don't just have one. I have, and it's a 700 max loss that I give myself personally. Got plenty of XFAs. Maybe we'll get another one loaded up here that I need to work on anyways. Right there. If we can flush these lows here, we can flush them, recover, then we'll be looking for the push back on up here. But right now, there you go. 10 points plus from that 87. Listen to your advice, Leo. Leave the resting orders and walk away. For now, I'm not touching this. I'm going to let that trap come to fruition. That is what I'm waiting for. I want to see that all these lows here get taken out, and I want to see them recover that low here. If that happens, I'll be long immediately. So I'm going to walk for now. I obviously got chopped up here this morning. This is why we must have max losses. It is fine. And, you know, it's got to be a max loss that is based on your risk and reward. You know what I mean? You're not going to risk $1,000 and then you're going to be only making 400. Like, it can't be like to the point where you're just triggered ultimately. It's got to be like something reasonable. We tried it. That 99 reclaim there again, still acting up as resistance. I don't know why price is moving like this, but I don't like it. Now I'm kind of waiting here. What if we do get selling now? Maybe we can get that trap there to the downside now. Dun, dun, dun. Wait. All right, come on, baby, come on. Follow you. Just waiting. Should have waited. Today I had the right idea. Just wrong execution, obviously. My idea was simple. Just wait for these things to flush or 95 to flush. If I had traded those two, perhaps this one would have gotten me in the green. Maybe this one will do it as well. But the point is, I was also in the green since 8 in the morning, and then I don't take profit. Kind of playing it wrong today. So, and I think it has to do with the fact that I missed yesterday. So I was kind of a little bit too aggressive swinging out of the gates. But as the saying goes, you mess around and you find out, right? Today I messed around, I found out. All right, Choo Choo Train working its way down here again. Lots of volatility. Choppy volatility. But like, look at that sizable print. That dumpster fire, then the pump, and then continuing back down with the trend. Short-term trend. There he goes. All right, come on, we're almost there. Let's sell this. Let's sell below that little bracket there. Come on, baby. I don't want to buy you yet. Not yet. Please take them out. Please take them out. Please take them out. Come on, a little bit more. It's almost there. It's almost there. I just want to see them get taken out that little box right under. That's where all the stops will be at. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Let's see if we can get popping right back above. Or else, and I give us a little shot here already. My stop is definitely not going to be that wide. Come on, baby. All right. All right. All right. Come on. Come on. We need to get back above 87 here quickly. This trap, if it's going to work, it needs to go quickly, quickly, quickly. No hesitation. We need to recover that low right here, 87 right now. Come on, baby. Come on. Uh-oh, getting stuck there. Come on, man. Cannot get away, yeah. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Looking weak so far. We need to get going right here ASAP. ASAP. There we go. We're starting to go. Come on. This is step number 1. Recover that 87 there. Struggling for now. Struggling. Come on, baby. Recover 87. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's got to be a little steep here. Come on, ES. Come on, you ducking ES. I might go break even here soon. Da-da-da. Pump, pump, pump. Come on, you pump, you mother ducker. All right, we got to get going to that 90 now. We need to squeeze. We need to keep this V going in order for this to actually work here. Come on, don't get stuck at that 90. What Christine is saying. We want to see the pump. The pump, pump, pump. I could go break even and just kind of let it be, but why break even? Come on, yes, go, baby, go, 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 go. Go, go, baby, go. Look at that. We talked about this idea here. We got the low. We flush the low. Take the stops of the low. We recover the low. And hopefully now we can get going with this. Hopefully. I could go break even, but nah. Nope. I'm not doing it. I am not ducking doing it. I don't want to say it yet. It's still too early, but I don't know if you guys smell it. I don't know if you guys smell it. Not yet. Look, it's still too early. Still too early. Hope ES can go to that 15. I hope so too. Que no quede huella. Come on, baby. We've got to recover 93 here now. And then the magical 95 there. Come on, come on, come on. Just go. Just go, baby, go. This is as good as the Bulls are going to get right now. Amazon earnings after the bell. Uh-oh. Lots of volatility with Amazon. I'm going to stay clear as soon as the market opens today then. At 6 p.m. Getting stuck around 93. Not very good right now. We need to get going. We need to go with more momentum to the upside here. We are green, but again, I'm going to eat the stop here. I'm going to let this thing go. I'm going to let it go. I'm not playing. I'm letting this thing go. But we need to go, yes. Shit, breaking the trend line. No. Usually on V's, I don't like to see the trend lines get broken. They're not breaking yet, but holding for now. All right. Let's get pushing. Que no quede huella. Large caps are best than expected this week. Come on, baby. Come on, let's go to that 95 minimum. Come on. Let's get some volatility in this ducking place. Come on, push this thing. Push. Come on, we got to break that 93. We break through the 93. I think we ultimately go to that 95 there. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Do it for Papa. Looking at it on the hourly chart here, looks pretty good. If we can get going here, it would be very nice. Would be a nice trap. 4 hourly chart. We kind of attempted to break down below the doji candle here on the 4 hourly chart. We're bouncing after breaking down the lows there. Daily chart. Daily chart went red and we're bouncing. Oh my gosh, look at that entry down there. I mean, if it fails, it fails. I'm fine with it. But if we start to rally here, that ducking entry down there looks pretty ducking good. Looking pretty good there. If we can get going. I don't want to jinx anything. Come on, ES. Looking at the weekly chart here. I mean, weekly chart just, I think, wants to continue to rally. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Let's go 95 minimum. Then we test 99. And then we go 15. And then life's good. And then we're getting towards the all-time highs. You know what I mean? Like, let's just do that. We don't need more dips. We don't need more dips. Fuck. Trend line's getting broken there. No. Hustler! Where have you been? Oh my goodness. This morning. I think you would have nailed this morning here. Looking at this morning, you would have probably been long. I don't know where, sure where, but it was kind of your territory land there. I got a little bit chopped up at the open. So, on one account, hitting max loss for me. It is what it is. But thankfully, I got plenty of them. I don't copy trade them. I only trade one at a time. I used to copy trade them. Now I don't, but for better or worse, I guess. This last month or so, I should have been copy trading. Trailing training. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I remember you mentioning you were teaching your friend. Very nice deed of you. We're getting stuck there at the 90, unfortunately. So we got to respect what the price action is telling me right now. We're getting stuck there. We can come back down. And, you know, I don't want to say it, but we need to get going right through here right now. Right now, kind of bull flagging here. I hope that that's what I'm looking at is the right thing. Kind of bull flagging there for now. It has been pretty slow, so I want to give price some time here. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's just go. Let's just go. I'm still holding that short because I fell asleep. Oh, the short from the 01? Oh yeah, I do see there. You did mention you were shorting at 01 and your stop was at 06. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you got taken out on that pop there, but yes, about to bail. Well, it's pretty nice short. If we break down this 86, you might get some more still in there. Right now, the bulls are not really out of the gate here yet. We're getting stuck here at this level of resistance. So I'm going to protect my downside and I'm going to go break even. Okay, thank you. Whoa. Actually, no. Duck that. Duck that. Cancel that. We're going back to the full commitment, baby. It's playing with me. It starts to go up. Duck that. Commitment. It starts to go down. Oh, break even. That's what I'm still holding. I don't know. Just this is a key level here. That 93, 90. If we get back above 93, I think we ultimately squeeze. But right now, still acting up as resistance. Come on, baby. Come on, bulls. Come on. Let's squeeze. Come on. I mean, if they fade us back down, we're going to sell pretty deep. At which point, I'm not going to be touching this long. This level should not fail. This is the first major Jenga block. Come on, baby. We're flagging. Let's make this flag go to the upside. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. I'm gonna go break even. I cannot lose on this trade. There's no way. We were up already from the 86.25 to the 93.25. Like we're up like 7 points. Can't go in the red now. I think we're squeezing. Come on, baby, squeeze. It's taking time, a long time. Wow, this is already a long stream here. Already 11:04. Come on, baby. Let's go to that 15. 61.15. It's where I think the day wants to end up here today. By the way, if you're not there, we do have a free community. It's called Trading Traps. You are welcome and invited to join for 100% free. There it is. Hustler getting short at 424. Talk about money never sleeping. Well, the other day I was also trading around that time. So we're trading here almost 24/7. Gamblers that we are. We're not gamblers. We're traders. Traders. Let's get the word right. We're not gamblers. We are traders. Let's just go into say it. Nice long streaming. I'm right here listening. Thank you for tuning in. I'm here streaming for long and you guys are here for long. So thank you both ways. All right, $1 million question. Is this 91 going to continue to hold here? We need to go. We need to break right here. We need to break this 90 ducking 3. That's all we need to do. Yes, let's just got the low. We get it building a nice little higher low. And then can we build another little higher low here? It's just been that type of day. Slow price action. So I got to wait. Come on, baby. Give me one of those ducking boner candles to the upside. Come on. Please. Pretty, please. Remember these drawings that I left here, okay? Remember them. Don't forget them. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, can we squeeze? We got stops right there. We got look at all these stops there. Come on, let's use them as fuel. Let's print this ducking candle heavy. Let's go heavy boner candle. Boner candle, boner candle. Boner candle, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's go back test 95. I don't want to say it yet, but it's starting to smell it. I don't know if you guys can smell it. I don't know. I can kind of smell it. In case you don't, I'm going to try to push that smell to you. And it's called this. I can smell a trap to the downside a little bit. Not 100% yet, but for now, looking at this on the hourly chart, we did talk about this exact level here. Look at this. We have support here. We have support here. We have support here. Looking at it on the 2-minute, 15-minute, however time frame you want to look at it, I want you to see this. We have a lot of support right here. Look at this. A lot of support. A lot of support. And then going further back in time, there's a lot of support. So I drew my magical box here. You guys saw it. Draw my magical box. Put it there at the low there. And look what just happened here. This is that low of that box is the low of the whole low kind of deal. We have a little bit of a flush. That little bit of a flush, a little bit of a reclaim, and then boom, we're looking for the reversal. Now, this is key for the trap here though. This is key. I want you to understand. Majority of the traps, they are very, very good. Like 90% of them. Okay, they're gonna blow right through the ducking thing. However, not all of them do. Okay, sometimes we might get stuck if we are trending lower. I don't know. Now, the key here to remember is one thing. The trap, we can never expect it to give us 100 points, 50 points, 10 points, whatever it is. It's made to give us an entry to the long side or to the short side because it's the safest entry in my perspective, my opinion. Now, we're getting stuck here at the 93. If we get stuck at 93 and then it fails, I get broken even, right? Or worse, I get stopped out here, right? If I go here. Now, what would be the problem? Is the trap the problem or is me the problem? I would argue that it's me, the problem. Okay, it could be me not taking profit because of greed or whatever. It doesn't matter. The point is simple. The beginning of the moves are always at the traps. Always. Okay, I don't know why they're like that. They're just built like that. Okay, we trap and then we squeeze. Well, I know why they're built like that, but why they decided to build it like that, I mean, it kind of makes obvious sense, I guess, but I don't know. We'll see. We're getting stuck here over at the 94. Remember, there's one key thing here about a trap. One. I want to show you this. A trap is comparted and built of 3 components. Okay, you must have artificial highs or artificial resistances. Okay, stop number 2, you must have a clear identifiable multi-hour level of support that flushes and then quickly recovers. That is part number 2. And then part number 3 is kind of relating to part number 1 because when we create artificial stops, we are trending lower. And then when we're quote unquote trending lower, the FOMO shorts that get short down here don't even know what the duck is going on. So their stops are right back inside. So we grab the stops from the longs. Wait. We grab the stops from the longs. We are now grabbing the stops from the FOMO shorts. And last but not least, we will grab the stops of the shorts that were shorting or all night, aka Hustler. But obviously, now it's building up. But when Hustler got short, it was a beautiful short. I'm not trying to discredit his trade. His trade at that moment in time was the best trade. And I don't know how he still got it, because I wouldn't have shorted that level up there. So are we done making highs now? Come on, ES. Let's just go. This is so slow. Come on, baby. Let's go up. Bonzamiento. Come on, choo-choo train. Look at that. Look at the top step tilt. The top step tilt right now tells me that 40% of traders across top steps platforms are shorting at 92 or 93. So they just got short there. Right here at the 93. I'm not trying to criticize them, but remember, I talk a lot about traps, and this is exactly my point here. We have the trap to the downside, and we have the FOMO shorts that don't even know what the duck is going on, right? Their stops are where? Right back inside of the range. So even right now, not to criticize, I'm sorry, but you know, if you're shorting 93, again, you're that short that I'm talking about, that you have no idea what's going on. Where's your stop? Right here, right here, right here. Wherever it is, I don't care where it is. The point is, it's back inside of the range. There goes 7 years of reading in 1 minute to you guys. Lots of mistakes. Lots of mistakes. Lots of time. Lots of books read. Lots of bullshit read. Lots of bullshit money I spent to try and learn this crap. Just to basically come here and say, wait for the low to sell, recover the low, and then get long, baby. Get long. The trap is your best friend. And like I say here, the shorts, they have no idea what's going on now. They got no idea. They don't know what we know. They don't know. The trap. Were you feeling bearish today? Were you feeling bearish today? Did you get trapped? If you did, well then you got to stop trading. Without the trap is your best friend. It just truly is. Look at that. We're coming right back to the 99 there. Where am I going to lock it in? I don't know, but I think 15 is incoming. If we get to the 15, come on, guys. If we get to the ducking 15, come on. Come on. Come on. Look at this. Oh my God, 7 years. If I could go back in time. If I could only go back in time. What I cannot. What I can do is, offer you a 100% free trading community. If you want to join, keep the conversation going. Tomorrow is the last day for my streams. I'll be pausing them. So feel free to join. There we go. We're hitting 99. If we reclaim 99, we're going straight to the moon, baby. I'm going to lock it in soon. I know it probably wants to go up, but one contract. Come on. I can always get back in long later. City. Once we get back above that 99, build a little more structure, I'll get back in long. The trap. The trap. I love it. I love it. Like I said here, it makes a lot of sense if you really think about it. I know the words I'm about to use you might not like, but try to hear me out. You know what I mean? Like, this is all free. This is entertainment purposes only. Honestly, if you get mad or, in general, if you don't like it, What am I gonna do? This is all free information. If you don't like it, just, I guess, don't believe me. I don't care. It makes no difference. So we have to create artificial stops to the long side. The market needs liquidity. In other words, the market needs you to lose so that the market wins. Okay, that's the reality of it. We cannot fight the uh, the way it is. You and I don't have enough money to push the market. We don't. So if we can accept that little reality that we're just a little ant inside of this whole world of trading, that is step number one, realizing that. Okay. Now, step number two, you have to have what is called support and resistance that get created. Look at this perfect example here. Look at this. We have high here, high here, high here, choppy disaster, whatever. But we have this highs here. You know where the stops are going to be. They're going to be above here. Nobody enters into a position and then puts their stop inside of it unless they're taking profit, okay? Which at that point, it doesn't matter. Either way, we're grabbing the stop. The point is simple. If you're committed to the trade, you are going to leave your stop there, okay? Second, we have to have a clear, identifiable level of support that is very, very visually there, okay? Why? People were buying here. People were buying here, okay? That's how it works. People need to buy so the price prints the print, okay? Meaning, I can tell you that people were buying at 86.50. Not because I think so, but because the charts tell me so, okay? I follow the price. So, look at this right here. We talked about this. We're going to wait for the flush of these lows here, okay? All these guys here, they all got taken out. This is step number one of liquidity grab. We grab the liquidity, and then all the FOMO shorts that don't even know what's going on, they're screaming right now, wondering what the fuck is even going on, okay? Basically, they're getting short here with their stop right in the middle. They're getting short here with the stop, whatever it is. And then guess what? Look at this. I cannot make this shit up. Look at this. They saw that we were going lower. Retail sees us going lower, okay? Fine. They see this level of resistance here. They're going to get short here. And then in the end, ultimately, they're shorting already at the wrong time. Why? Because we already have the trap to the downside, giving us the ducking hint that we want to go up. So why short here? No need to short here. Why short here? No need to short here. Why are you going to short here? Because you see this level of artificially created resistance. This is not resistance. This is now liquidity. This is the fuel that's going to bring the market higher. So don't fall for it. Don't fucking do it. If you're going to short here, I'm telling you, just send me your ducking money. I will buy a ducking teddy bear with your name on it. I'm going to go out for dinner on you, put the bowl in front of it, and then send you a nice picture of it, okay? Don't short after the trap. It's a waste of time. Where Hustler got short at this overnight here, fine. You know, like there's a lot of, technical perspectives. We haven't really got there yet. It's the first time we're going around. I don't know how he got to that resistance level, but at the end, he made a good trade where it made sense. But now they're playing with us now. They are toying with all these guys now. They are hunting them now. Don't be hunted. Become part of the hunting process. And last but not least, whenever, you don't have to believe me. You don't have to believe it. But if you ever see some lows that get sold at something like this, even deeper, don't go shorting after that. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it. This is entertainment purposes only. Everything I just said, it is to be taken, not taken. I don't care. It is, point is, it's on you. But I'm just saying, why short here? I know everybody sees this wick. You might say, oh, but the stops. Look at how much resistance there is there. Look at it. No, that is not resistance. That is artificially created resistance that the market has created just because we need more fuel. And then when the market's ready, the buyer's already buying. Average short price on top step tilt right now is 95. So cool. We can be 5 points in the red and just hold it short. It's gonna turn green. I like that. I like that kind of process. Metal Thunder. And again, today is another perfect example of you can screw up a lot on your entry. You guys saw me screw it up. Hey, I'm not perfect. This stream stays up here. You can review everything wrong I do if you want. But what I'm saying is, there was one thing here that I can tell you confidently. Okay? This is entertainment purposes only, but I can tell you, if you understand where the wave wants to go, if you can understand that the market wants up, and you can put your biases to the side just because of how the market looks, you can fuck up a lot on your entries. But if you're looking for the long and you're looking for the right side of the wave, you will ultimately be a winner. Look at that, just like that. We're taking back 6,100. I will not be shorting S here. Nada. I think Choo Train wants that magical 15 level up there. It just does. It just does. I wonder, do they have the Total Ninja Trader? I think they do. I don't know how to activate it. You can double check, but I remember reading that on Ninja Trader and other platforms, the tilt is available. However, the tilt is about 10 minutes delayed on your platforms. So the only way to see the real live tilt data is Top Step X. They are the ones who have the, I guess you could say, the live average prices of everybody. So I don't know if you even want to have it if it's delayed 10 minutes. Now the average short price here is 96. Are they adding into their short? They're adding into the short. They were shorting 95. Now they're short 96. That means they're averaging. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I do some pretty stupid things here on the stream. But one thing I never will do is add to a loser, especially to a short. Say what you want on that, but I don't know. I love this game. I love this ducking game. I love it so much. It's my passion. I love it. And with that, I'm going to leave you guys. I love this game. Today is another day. It is wild. It was up and down and all around, but it is what it is. Trading traps, trading community, 100% free. If you're looking for a place to grow, meet like-minded traders, and of course, get different ideas, this is a community that could potentially help you. You know, we don't charge anything for it. Nobody ever will. So feel free to join. It is there. I'm going to leave you with the simple thought of the trap. We talked about this idea. I was there diddling in the middle and I found out. But ultimately, remember why I started this channel here. Okay, I want to show you this. Before you leave, just watch this here. Remember, I really gain nothing from, like, if you believe me or you don't. And I hope that you kind of don't believe me, that you're going to do your own research. I don't want you to just come here and think that you're going to, learn everything, or in anybody's stream, okay? In anyone, if you go to somebody who's got thousands of viewers and millions of viewers, you're not going to learn anything. Like, you need to really try this on your own first. But the reason why I started this whole thing, I'm going to give you a little bit of a speech before I end it, because tomorrow we're going to pause the stream. But this is the reason why I started the stream to begin with, because everybody can trade in here patterns. Everybody wants to trade in here, okay? But in the end, this is not what this channel is about. This is not what, if that's what it is, well, then I already failed. It's not about that. It's about giving you the simple message of what is called the trap, okay? This is the message, the trap. Because I did not understand why these moves would be trending lower, making lower highs, and then all of a sudden it would squeeze my ass out of my position, okay? Because there's plenty of people that can... that we're trading lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, whatever BS, break of structure, lower high. There's so many different strategies out there. There's so many of them, okay? But the winner in the end, in my eyes, is the trap down here. And why I this is exactly why I have the channel. You can believe me or you don't, but look at the even to the upside. It's the same it's the same shit to the upside. Look at this. We have resistance here, right? We have resistance, and look what's there. Look at it. You have a little bit of a squeeze above it, gets back into the range, and then boom, that begins the whole move to the downside. And how does the move to the downside end? With the opposite thing, the same thing. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this little wick there. Look at it. Look at this little wick there. Does it not look the same thing? It's the same thing. Okay, they grab liquidity, then they reverse the ducking positions, or they reverse the market in the opposite direction. So in my perspective, I want to know how to trade this. I want to know how to trade this up here. Buyers want to buy low, sellers want to sell high, okay? And in the middle, the pigs go get slaughtered. So this is the whole purpose for this channel. Just for you to see the little bit of a bigger picture. A little bit of my frustration over the years as to why it is that I fucking shorted at the break here and then it squeezes. Why did I short here at the break of these lows here, thinking that we were going to continue to rally to the downside, and then it just reverses on me? Why did all that happen? Why are we squeezing right now? Think about it. Why are we squeezing? Why, Leo? Why are we still going higher? We should be getting denied. Why does the market push so hard after being so bearish? Now you know. This is not bearish. This is just simple artificial creating stops from the shorts so that we can grab it later as fuel. The market needs fuel. It needs gas. And we're making it alongside taking it. So with that, I'm going to leave you. Thank you all for tuning in. Gracias, Antonio. So I will see you guys all here tomorrow for Fresh Cash Friday, the last day of the stream. So see you guys tomorrow. Peace.